So the rogue tendencies of some boda operators could attract tougher sanctions if a bill by the Senate Majority Whip Boni Khalwale becomes law. Riders who gang up against other motorists to intimidate them could be fined up to 100,000 shillings, and those riding on pavements or on the wrong side of the road could get slapped with a fine of 20,000 shillings. Martin Munene has more on the public transport motorcycle regulation bill.
A law that is being sponsored by Kakamega Senator Boni Khalwale could bring the much-needed sanity in the boda sector. The bill proposes fines and even jail terms for offenders within the boda transport sector. The all-too-common scenario where boda operators gang up against motorists when accidents occur could attract sanctions, as the bill proposes a fine of 100,000 shillings for any rider who participates in ganging up with other riders in an attempt to intimidate, threaten, or harm another person in the event of an incident, or imprisonment of up to a year. Khalwale wants any rider who rides a motorcycle on a pavement or pedestrian walkway, or one who rides a motorcycle in the opposite direction of traffic flow, slapped with a fine of 20,000 shillings or a jail term of up to 6 months. The bill seeks to regulate how boda ferry luggage, with a prohibition of carrying anything higher than 2 meters or heavier than 50 kilograms for bikes below 400 cc. The boda operators will also be required to go through training and obtain valid licenses and ensure they have protective gear for themselves and their passengers. For the passengers, the proposed law also gives guidelines on how to use the motorcycle, with passengers being required to sit astride the motorcycle. The bill seeks to outlaw the carrying of more than one passenger on the bike unless it is a child, with Khalwale also proposing a ban on passengers and a luggage being ferried together. Those that own bodas and hire riders will have to enter into a written agreement contract with the riders. The proposal requires boda operators to register with a county board and join a savings and cooperative society. If the bill is passed, then county motorcycle transport and safety boards will be established across the 47 counties with the mandate of regulation, management and coordination of all matters relating to the motorcycle transport sector within the counties. Martin Munene, Citizen TV.
And Moga FM, one of Royal Media Services radio stations.